Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, March 10th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got our Chapter 8 test coming up on Thursday. In third period, you need to find your total and your percentage for your ALEKS packet number 2. For honors, there is no homework. In science, we've got our mineral presentation that is due tomorrow. If you are absent, you need to please complete any labs during Warrior time by tomorrow. In honors science, we're doing lesson review, page 135, numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, and 12. In social studies, we've got our review sheet for a quiz that we have coming up. Hopefully we got that done in class today or during Warrior time. In language arts, there is no homework. In literature, we've got test prep number 4. That is due tomorrow, as well as extra credit that was handed out last week is also due tomorrow. All homework passes are due for bonus points as well on Wednesday. And in Careers in Life, you'll have until the end of Warrior time to finish your Ohio Means Jobs start if you didn't finish it for homework last night. It's going to be it for this Tuesday. Everyone take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.